The control panel consists of two sections. Your mechanical controls on the right, your screen controls on the left. Your screen controls control the processes of the print cycles, and your mechanical controls are the following. Emergency stop is exactly that, emergency stop. Once depressed, the knob needs to be twisted to release it, and at that point you can clear the emergency stop indicator. This is not to be confused with a stop button. The stop button is located at the bottom of the screen. Excessive use of the emergency stop in replacement of a stop button can cause mechanical wear on the switch. Your start button, which is located in the middle, serves two functions. First, it's a start button for your print cycles, but it is also the button that you press to initialize the machine at startup. On the left of the control panel, on most models that are used, is your on-off for your laser switch. Some models may have the controls on the screen, which we'll cover at a later point. There's also two counters on this screen. You can use them any way you would like. However, most shops will reset both counters at the beginning of the day, one to track cycles for the whole day, one they reset on a job-by-job basis. Again, you can use those in any manner that you wish. In the middle of the screen, right now you'll see 0 P/H. That indicates prints per hour. As we're running, that number will change based on the speed of the machine, and that'll tell you how many prints you're doing per hour. The main screen controls the primary operation of the machine. Each icon represents a pallet on the machine. Each number represents a print arm or a flash or accessory. Consider this a simple on-off button. If you're doing a one rotation print, you simply turn on each print arm that you want to use. Green is on, red is off. The same applies for flashes. Green is on, red is off. So you can program any sequence you want for the job you're running. On the right-hand side are our main control buttons. Exit is very self-explanatory. In any menu, you always use exit and it brings you back one step. Our utilities brings us to the utilities screen. Auto manual cycles between manual operation and automatic operation. When it's in automatic operation, the light is green. When it's in manual, the light is turned off. First piece and last piece, you can also call this first shirt, last shirt. As you're starting a job, when you load your first shirt, you hit first piece. The machine will turn on in sequence as that first shirt comes around. When you're on your last shirt of your job, you hit last piece, and as it prints the last shirt in that job, your print arms will turn off sequentially so they don't print on pallets. When your job is complete, suspend automatically comes on. What does suspend do? Suspend basically prevents the press from printing. You'll still retain your printing program, but if somebody was to hit start on a print arm or at the control panel on accident, it will not let the print arms print on your pallets. In order to print, suspend must be off, whether you're in automatic or manual mode.